here today. We're testing out our Duraclutch that we just installed, and then we did the Gilomen Performance tune, and we're up here with the puppies, just running up the road. My buddy Mike up there ahead of us. We both did matching tunes and Duraclutches, and we're noticing that there's just so much hidden and unlocked potential in these ranges. Cooler temperatures, lower RPMs. I mean, it's just amazing all the benefits that these things unlock out of the Polarises that we got. So we're just up here playing with them and enjoying them, and we're able to compare from what it was like before, because we didn't install them both at the same time. We installed them in different sequences so we could compare one machine against the other, and so we can learn the exact differences. But it's also just nice to be up here today, running around, and spring is coming. A lot of snow melt today. Where all the water went, scarred the ground a little bit going out through the snow. We're a little farther up the hill here, and
I'm almost to our dead end from last night.
Yeah, I was gonna say we're almost where we couldn't go the other day, and it's getting a little more gnarly. But look at this view out here. I got a dog in my lap, so I gotta get the dog out of the way. This is where I think I turned around right there, and look at the climbing in elevation, and you definitely see some water filling up down there in the valleys. We definitely got some water content this year, and yeah, this is what I call slot car Ranger. You pretty much let go of the steering wheel, and the ruts are so deep, it's just where you travel. But boy, I tell you what, that's a beautiful day to be up on the hill, looking down at all the peoples. Mike's up there. It looks like he's about at the end of the road. I'm gonna try to zoom this in, see if I can zoom him in. Yeah, he's about at the end of where we got yesterday. I don't think we're gonna get any further, and I don't feel like chaining up. I'm sure he does. Boy, that's one thing we learned. We put some chains on, and the chains do make a difference, but we don't need to tear things up. Now we're up here. Let me get this window down. Now we're up here, getting up on top and looking back. It's pretty cool. Oh, you can see my tracks, but Mike's still going, so we're still able to go through this kind of rotten snow, but it's packing. It's definitely not melting or nothing. It's packing and letting us kind of get up on top, and yeah, it's interesting. Oh yeah, we got Mike breaking trail here. Let me get this. Oh, it's so cold when I open up that window, but I'm just watching him run through the snow. It's pretty cool what these things can do. Well, we about lost Mike there for a second, but he's good now. But we're up here. The dogs are running around. It's weird because it feels pretty solid running though on the machines. Aspen's complaining a little bit, or just yelling at the young dog. Oh, Jesus. Wow. I'm on top. I'm standing on top. That's good for me.
On top, both. She's
like, stay to the left. Aspen, stay to the left. There goes Miles, Bronca. It's pretty cool when you can walk on top.
Yeah.
Neat view. Well, that was cool. Well, you'd never guess where we're at, but we've made it this far. Why not go a little farther? All right, we're just momentarily detained. We got a winch line running from him to there, winch line from mine to there, and then we're gonna take up the difference with this toaster. All right. Okay, I'm videoing, and we're trying to get him. Miles, what are you doing, dude? We got me hooked up there, lying down to here, and we're just gonna see what happens. I think he popped up on top. I don't even know. Come here, buddy. Come here, Miles. Miles, you come here. You come here. Miles, you stay here. Miles. Miles. Miles, you stay here. Miles, come. Come. Oh, you're such a good boy.
Nothing to lose if you believe. Come with me. Are you ready? Hop aboard my rocket ship. Let's head for the eclipse. Ain't no sitting down, hold us down. We can turn it on around. Are you
Maybe it gets deeper. Maybe he can tell the drift of horse.
It's only one step till we're finally free. I'm ready for you if you're ready for me. Are you ready to breathe? Are you ready? It's only one step till we're finally free. I'm ready for you if you're ready for me. Are you ready to breathe? Are you ready?
Well, we came down the hill. We're turning around, and we're headed back up. What do you think, puppies? Hey, we're creepy crawling. Creepy crawling up the hill. Just kind of not too much power, what I call feathering. I'm just going to feather it, and I'm going to try to stay in the track a little bit better and not break the tires loose. I think that's the secret. Well, it turns out we got back up on top in the sun, just kind of taking a little panoramic here. And Here comes Mike. That was a hoot. Did a lot of upgrades to these things, but we're on our way back down the hill after enjoying all the perks of the Duraclutch and the Performance Tune, and the lower temperatures that it's running. Can monitor belt temperature, and engines running at lower RPMs. Everything's quieter, smoother. It's amazing what you can unlock from a stock machine with a little bit of effort and some tools and some good people that put some nice products out there. All right, have a good one.